Hey, listen, YouTube. There was a 4.1 earthquake tremor. I live in South Carolina, but there was a 4.1 earthquake that happened in my area. I don't know if anybody felt it, but I know I did. I called my sister in Tennessee, and she felt it. This is no cap. This is serious right here. But I just want to know, did y'all feel it? They said they felt it in Georgia, and she said it came on news and said it was like a 4.1. So it really shook up here because I woke up. It woke me up. Just if anybody in the South Carolina, anybody in the Georgia, anybody in the Tennessee area, in the western part of Tennessee area, and probably parts of Alabama, let me know what you felt because South Carolina been getting tremors, and what they're doing, they're really escalating. And you know what? When things happen like this, it's going to end up for something being big. Not to scare anybody, but the Bible talks about these things. There's going to be earthquakes in diverse places. But if anybody in those states, just comment and just tell me what you felt and the time that it was and everything. And I want y'all to know to be careful. Be careful out here because, things could happen at any time beyond our control. So, but this is your boy, Brian, right here. And I just want y'all to know to be prayerful and be careful and check on your mental health and be funny and laugh regardless, you know. But just want to know about this right here. If you in those areas, comment me and just let me know what you felt. My sister, she felt it in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And I called her. She said, yeah, I felt the same thing. And I'm in South Carolina. But y'all just comment and just let me know what you felt. In the Tennessee, Georgia, and South Carolina, and probably parts of the northern part of Alabama area also. Peace and God bless.